Do you love shipping container homes, or are you considering building your very own? Look no further. Our YouTube channel showcases amazing videos of the best shipping container homes from around the world. In addition, you can get yourself a set of drawings and blueprints of custom designed floor plans of modern container houses from our website sheltermode.com using the links in the description below. The tiny home featured in this video is located in Columbus, North Carolina, United States. It was designed and built as a private guest house utilizing a single 40-foot high cube shipping container as the structural element. The container was expertly converted into a comfortable and stylish living space situated in a peaceful surrounding of rural Green Creek. The interior of the home features an open concept design with a spacious living room complete with a convertible sofa and TV. The sofa can easily be transformed into a bed, allowing the living room to serve as an additional sleeping area when needed. Across from the sofa is a butcher block bench seat with storage underneath, providing additional seating and storage options. The kitchen, located next to the living room, is fully equipped with custom black cabinetry and a beautiful butcher block countertop. The kitchen also has numerous cabinets, drawers, and even a cubbyhole that fits a microwave, providing ample storage space. Opposite the kitchen is a breakfast bar placed near a large window that features custom live edge bar top, offering a comfortable and convenient spot for dining and enjoying meals. Next to the kitchen is a compact bathroom fitted with a gorgeous walk-in tiled shower and a vanity with an LED mirror. It also includes a standard toilet, ensuring that guests have all the necessary facilities for personal hygiene and grooming. On the far end of the container is the master bedroom, which offers incredible views and is fitted with a king-sized bed, a small wooden table that serves as a nightstand. The bed takes up most of the space but is positioned next to a large picture window, allowing guests to look out over the private backyard oasis. The bedroom also has glass sliding doors that lead to the deck, providing easy access to the outdoor areas. A few feet away from this door is a sun-in hammock that provides a glimpse of the waterfall beneath the deck. The use of wood cladding on the interior walls creates a warm and welcoming atmosphere throughout the home. The exterior of the home includes a covered deck with a grill, a swing, a hot tub, and a fire pit, as well as a small waterfall and a hanging bed. The raw shipping container walls and a proper roof add to the industrial charm of the design. The outdoor area serves as a tranquil oasis, providing guests with multiple options for relaxation and entertainment. The deck is also equipped with a door that leads into the kitchen, allowing for an easy flow between indoor and outdoor spaces. Overall, this tiny home offers a unique blend of luxury amenities and nature, providing the perfect escape for those seeking a private retreat. This amazing container home is listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to these and more amazing weekly videos where we showcase the best of shipping container living from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.